Hello beautiful Gluebookers, I'm back in my old pink glue book, ready to keep working where I left off before. Like always, I have prepped the pages, backgrounds are added and clippings are pre-selected. I'm Deborah, welcome or welcome back to the collage table. Today I'm adding pieces to these pink spreads and helping each page come together. I'm excited to start. This is where I left off last time, so let's see what I got prepped here. A few images already glued down, but it needed a bit more, so time to add something. Doesn't this pink magnum ice look yummy? This makeup stick fits great on this side, I think like so. And then I found this pink chair, little butterfly sticker. Her we already had last time, but I didn't know where she would go yet. This maybe here. Oh, this is nice, but where can it go? Here instead of the chair? No. Okay, for somewhere else, I guess. Let's put the chair back, and then this little diamond here, and then this. No. Okay, let's cut these white bits from in between the chair legs. If you like these type of color glue books, I've made a separate playlist for them now, so you can binge watch them if you like. Alright, so this goes here, and let's just glue something. This little diamond piece goes on top here. Let's glue the magnum next. Lovely, yes, like so. Right here. And then this is a sticker, so that's quick and easy. Let me put it, well, here. And then, okay, this is another sticker, so let's stick this right here. Oh yes, cute. Let's take her. Finally she finds her spot on the spread. Right here with this underneath. I really like how this is all looking. Okay, for the chair I'm using the glue page. This is handy, especially for cuttings with small bits sticking out, like the legs here. Look, it just keeps the glue from getting all over your hands otherwise. Okay, moving on to the next pink spread. Another shade, but still pink. I have a few more images that might fit here as well. This flower can go here. Got a watering can, not sure yet. And then this, the perfume bottle. I think here the flower can be like a head. No, I like it a little bit higher. Then this watering can go here. I think that's the balance I'm looking for. Let's cut the white part out here from the handle. While the images are still in my stash, I keep those bits in, like the fragile pieces, so they don't tear or damage otherwise. Cutting it just before I glue the images in my book somewhere. Okay, let's glue this. There you go. Can go right here. I like this flower. Look, it's perfect here. And then this. For now, this is what I have for this spread, but I might find something more that I can add for a next session. I do think this book will need one more session after this. Okay, there you go. Let's move on. This is where we're working on the new spread. Nothing has been glued on the backgrounds yet. We have her as the main character, but which side? Here, I think on this side. And I have a few different things I can glue on here. This, an Armani fragrance card. I have not opened it yet, so the scent should still be here. And then this, Pretty Japan. I think it can go here on the bottom of the page. This, oh, so pretty. Can I have that, please? Well, yes, as an image. I think here behind her. Yes, that can work. And then Simplify Your Life. Maybe in between here. This bit, no. Oh, this is nice. But where? Here and this? No. Alright. Again, I have to cut a little bit away. So let's do that first. Again, her arm would stick out and could damage if I would cut that before. But now she can go here. Like this. That's better. And then I will glue this image down first. For the corner, right here, I will leave a little border of the background showing. I like that. And then now I can glue her. Okay, did that off camera on the glue page, just saving us some time. Trying to keep the pace in the video so you don't have to watch me glue every little bit. There. Okay, some more editing magic. Simplify your life, that's what we're doing here. Hey, can this go on this spread? That could be nice. But where? Oh, here? Yes, I think that should go on this page. So let's do that. Let's put it right here. Yes, I like it. Okay, shall we continue? What do I have here? Okay, I got some images, a background image on the left. This larger image can go here on the right. The green is from the book itself, and then she wants to go here, I think. What else can I put on this spread? The pepper is fun, but is it too red? This floaty, and then a pink bottle of something. Not sure, it's small. I got Unity, that's always good. And then this old school phone. Yes, instead of the pepper, that could work. Maybe, or maybe on this side. Let's see if I can find the balance here, but then she would have to go on the left. How would that look? Okay, let's see. I'm not sure about that. No, I think I want her on the right side like before. And then what to do with that phone? Let's see. Maybe like so. No, that doesn't look right. Okay, let's just put that to the side for now, and then I'm going to cut this bit from here in between the legs. Have you already watched the previous videos where I worked in this all pink glue book? I will link the first one here on screen and both of them in the description below. Okay, let's finish this first, like this. So now we can see how that looks. Let's put her here where she's gonna go. Yes, I think that looks nice. So I will glue this background image on the page. Right here. Oh, get it all straight. Oh, be careful, make sure it's all good. And then she can go on top. I do want something on the bottom of the page, maybe some washi tape, but which one? This, I got a lot of pink washi tapes. This purple maybe. Now let me use the bright pink. I think that one goes well with the spread. It's just a single strip of washi on the bottom of the page, like so. Okay, that's it. It will go right behind her. So I added the glue and then there she goes. Yes, perfect. It's such a happy page. Okay, let's see. Do I glue this or this? Okay, let me just keep all these here for the next time. I will work on it some more. Now move on to this one. You might recognize this from the how to start a glue book video. I worked on this spread then, but now I have a few bits I can add. I have this discount card, not sure how I got it, but it's pink and expired. This pretty flower, a vintage deer figurine. Will it go here? Maybe. And there's a little sticker. Let's just put it right there in the corner. Like so. Yes. And this flower kind of looks perfect there, so let's glue it on the page. The discount card, just adding some glue. I think that's a great spot for it. And then the deer, maybe it should go on this side of the spread, like she's walking her dog, but then she's walking with her deer. Yes, I think I like that. So there she goes. For now, this is it for this spread. On to the next. We're going into some darker shades, but I have some lighter bright images to go on, starting with this. Okay, somewhere. And this is a plant tag for a string of hearts plant. This, a larger image. Oh, I like her here. And then this, 2 glitter balls, a rose, a fan, and I got her. So fabulous. She has to go on to this spread. Then let's put this here, and this can go here below. Maybe the phone can go on this page. Yes, here maybe. Remove the plan tag. Yes. Okay, let's find some balance with these images. Let's see what goes where. I do think, let's see, yes, this has to go, and then this can go here. Maybe, yeah, put the fan there, move her down a bit. This is for somewhere else. Moving the phone down. This is getting somewhere. The rose, maybe here. No, I want the fan there. The rose could go here or here. Okay, not sure, but I do know that these will go here and this will all go like this. Look here on the back, 1971. Love it. Going back in the day. Let's put her here. And then this little one, hush now, right here. Yes. The disco balls both go on this side. Like so, that's good. And then the phone goes here. Yes, perfect. The pink phone has found its place. And then maybe I can put this spool of ribbon in this spot right here. Yes, it's getting there. What about the rose? Is there space? Okay, maybe next time I'll leave it here. Okay, so this next one is nice and bright. Look how fun she looks. Maybe, let's see, on this side. Okay, you know what? I'm putting her here for now. And I just want to flip through and see what is still to come, like a sneak preview. I will work on these spreads in the next pink session. For now, thank you for watching, take care of yourself, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Till next time, bye.